Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel and let's today we'll see PowerPoint insert menu. In previous video already we have seen home menu. So today we'll see insert menu. First you can see new slide. So when you open new slides, so many themes will be there. Title slide, title content, section header. So depend upon your work, you can be take the theme. Next one come here table. So if you want to be use here table as how you're using MS Word, same you can use here. See how many rows and columns you want, you can be take. So you can be insert the table. So if you have any table you want to be make out in the PowerPoint when you going to show in project, that time you can use the table. You can use here, you can insert. See you can see here many types of table design also will be there. You can check here contents designs will be there, many designs will be there. So you can use how you're using the Excel content for table, same you can use process here. So when you required in the PowerPoint presentation you can be show with like this, okay, otherwise not required of table here. And next you go here pictures. Suppose I want to make here insert only pictures here from your PC, just you click here. So you have to select your location, where did you save. So I am taking from desktop, okay, my file is already here. So I am taking here. So already if you have there are, you can take from the download also. So wherever your location is there you can take pictures. Suppose I am taking picture of this one, okay. So you can be get here insert. When you select pictures, so the related pictures all tab will be available, that is called format. So making out for colorings of the pictures, okay, compressed designs will be there. So we'll see later on that one. There is format view. And you can use for online pictures also. Suppose you have some pictures are in your PC, it is not sufficient, or you want to more, or you want some kind of different image you want, you can also you can take from the online image. And screenshot. So if you want to make screenshot of your already PC, or if you want to open any file and you want to take screenshot, you can use here screen clipping. See I have open here screen clipping, this one. So if I want to make screen, this one I will be make the screen. So screen will be available here. So this is the screen clipping. So if you want to make screen, you can take the screen for the, that is screen clipping. And photo album, if you want to be keep separately for PowerPoint using photo album, you can keep as a folder new photo album. So you can be add here. So whatever photos you want to be add, you can be add the from file, you can be pick it, that is photo album. I can take file, again you can pick it. So like this if you want to keep in your album, you can be create the album. So like this presentation also you can be keep album, okay. You can do the particular album for the like weddings, anniversaries or birthdays, album wise you can be, you can make it out. And shapes. So which kind of design you want, you can be take shapes in here. So like we have seen previous video also, shapes already we have taken. So already I told that one, okay. So shapes also you can take here. And smart art, if you want this kind of smart art are there, you can be click here. So many kind of smart art will be there. So design which you like, you can take and you can be edit the content. See text is here, you can write some more, okay, you can write some more, or you can write here text somewhat. So like this you can make the content designs, okay. When you select this content related, this designs will be there. You can select here many kind of designs are there, okay. You can select the designs, okay. So this is, you can use the art for making the attraction for your PPTs, okay. And you can select here. And you can go for chart. If you want to be chart here, you can be insert chart here, okay. Just I will take here on new tab. I told new tab for control D you can use, or control N you can use. Control N for new and control D for duplicate. See I am taking here control D. This is a duplicate, I want to delete here. So here I want to be insert chart here. Chart, I will go chart column, you can take chart. Or you can, here also you can click directly go to the chart. So which kind of chart you want, you can take the chart. So it will directly come here, chart, you can be edit the chart and you can be design it, how you people are doing in the MS Excel. Same you can proceed here. So both will be same. So you can be take easily here. So next comes here the hyperlinks. So if you want to be connect your any file to that links, or you want to be keep a specific link, you can be utilize here for link. See, suppose I want to make this picture as a link, so I can use here link, and I want to connect somewhat file there. So I'll take here some kind of place these documents. Okay, somewhere I'll keep. Okay, you can save anywhere, you can keep my document. Our desktop I kept here, and desktop. Okay, so like this you can keep the link. So mostly links are using when writing the text. You can keep text for the text for, you can use the text for as link, you can be use here. If you write something else, you want to be keep link for this D, then you have to use the hyperlink. So when you click here, it will be show the open, you click here open hyperlink. So here that go to the hyperlink, you can click here. So this saved in the file menu. Okay, it's not supporting, even though whatever, it will go direct to the link. You can make link and file keep there. You can be put the link option. So they, that is for that. And comment, if you want to write particular comment for this one, okay, you can this shortly I'll write here for just computer, and I want to make here somewhat computer comment. So I can use the comment option, you can click here. So particular this one I can write here. Okay, I am few letter working, it is good subject, good subject. Okay, so when I click on comment, already it will show the this one. See, a comment I close here. Okay, so when I click comment, it will show here this one. So this is about the comment. So if you want to be keep comment of particular things, you can be use for remembering one computer particular some other hard disk drive. So related hard disk drive, you kept some odd drives there. So like this you can use the comment there. And comes here text box. So if you want to write here on text box, you can take here, you can draw. So I want to write somewhat here heading, title for the fresher. So you can take a text box wherever you want, on image or everywhere. You can be use the text, how you are using the text same, but thing is that it will be available everywhere. So whenever you want, just to take on right. Suppose how I am writing here, you cannot write normally without taking the text box. When you take a text box, you can write anywhere. See, normally if I want to write, you cannot write here, because so it is a fixed one is there. So you have to be take the text, then you can be use the text for writing. And header and footer, if you want to keep header for this slide, you can take here headers. Okay, you can apply, if you want to apply, you can see date and time, you can apply. Okay, you can apply for all or apply for one, apply all. So here you can see it out, its date is coming, you can be edit also. So this date will come already which date is available on your system. So like this you can be set your header and footer, or you can be write instead of date, you can write slide number, footer, notes on handouts. So whatever you want to be keep, you can be keep in the header and as well as footer, you can utilize it. And word art, if you want to take word art design, so you can take here this kind of design you want. So I want to write here horse, so you can take all the horse design will be there, you can write this kind of. So if you want to be changed also, you can be just, you have to select this text, you can change the styles. You can see any kind of styles you can be keep there. So this I am keeping here blue also. So like this you can make in the word art. When you select the word art, or related this format is, then a format is whenever you select the image or font related, all things will be come here. See this one here, text field you can change. Okay, you can change theme of text, you can change outline. Okay, related this, it will be there in the format. So format is, maybe it will help in image also as well as text also. And date and time, if you want to keep the date and time here, or wherever you select, you can be select date and time, it will come same how you're putting the header and footer, you can be change the, you can keep the date and time for remembering. So suppose if you have want to remember, if you want to be keep record of dates, you can use. And if you want to keep slide number also, you can use slide. Okay, slide number you want to keep here. Okay, slide number, for you have to select show or don't show, apply all. So you can see here slide number 1. Okay, down you can see slide number 2. So it will not be get confused when you're doing the power project. So it should be come in the sequence, it will help in the slide numbers. And object, from here how you already given the content, you can be accessed from here anything. So like paint, word, excel, you can be access here and can do the work on. And equations, when you're writing, it is very helpful in the word only. Here also sometime when you're doing the project, some mathematical operation you want to write, then you can be take for the equations. And you can see here video, if you want to be insert video on this, here you can be insert from online video as well as video on your PC. So related content you can take this one, you can be relate video, you can be select here and you can play here, or in project also you can be add the video. So see here, when you select the video format, you can see here all related video formats will be available. So what you want to be editing, cutting, okay, changing, so whatever things you want to relate to the uh, format will be show you. So this is the insert one. And here audio, you want to keep sound for this one, how you are keeping the audio video. Same you can be keep the sound also. See, I'm keeping this music, so when I play here the sound will come. So I'll increase sound here, sound will come here, so you can be sound. So when you want to be keep the design, you can be use the design sound background music also. So what happened, when you want to be keep any slide of background music, so that time you can be use that the audio. So I think it's I think you have understand all this of insert menu. So one or two times you practice, you will be get understand properly. See, suppose I am telling one more time image. When I select the image, deleted all image format will be show you. Suppose I want to change the background of this one, so all kind of background will be show you. Okay, changes you want to add or leave it. Okay, remove background. Okay, if you want to be keep, you can be remove background. Corrections you want like this, you can be keep. Okay, or you want to be color, you can to change, you can change the color of this one. So these are related that which picture we have taken, that will be there. Okay, you can choose compress your picture, you can do it. So related which image I have selected, so related that one, all things will be there, that one you can use for that the things. And change picture, you can change a picture also. Instead of that, you can change reset picture, you can do it. Okay, whatever things we have done manually changes. So when you click reset picture, actual size will come picture it. And here design also, you can take here which kind of designs you want. Okay, so you can change the design menu. And see, picture border also you can put the colors. Okay, picture effects, you can want to keep, you can keep the picture effects. So page layout you can change. So any kind of you want to be related of that one, the format will be show you whether you have selected picture, whether you have selected. So I think it's very helpful. You please like, comment and subscribe our channel.